Hey Biz Besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the number one myth that I hear people say all the time when it comes to using video to grow their business. Stay tuned. Okay, if you're new to this channel, I'm Shayla Varnado. I am your business strategy angel, the Go Live queen, honey, and you may also know me as the founder of Black Girls Wine. Listen, I hear people talk all the time about how they can't use video to grow their business because, here's the myth, that they're either product-based or service-based. People think that you have to be one or the other in order to grow your business, and that's simply not true. Here is why. You can use video to increase your reach, your exposure, and your income just by going live. Lives stick around for a very long time. Facebook Lives are always around, and if you have one that's a hit, guess what? You can keep sharing that video. And the more you share it, the more views it gets. And the more views and comments it gets, the more Facebook is going to share it for you. It's free advertising. And I know a lot of people feel like, well, I just don't know what to talk about, or I don't know what to say. Hello, I tell you guys all the time on my Facebook and Instagram, DM me and I'll give you a free consultation via DM on what you can do. Because whether you're product-based or service-based, this can work for you. Video helps your audience connect with who you are, and that's really important. They get to know your personality, they get to understand a little bit more about you, and as life is happening when you're live, as it does, stuff happens. The washing machine cuts off and then you realize it had been background noise, or you're like recording something and your kid runs in. Life happens, but people need to know that life happens for you too, and it helps them to better connect with you and connect with your message, because then they feel like they know you. Going live in your business helps people to be able to better get to know your product or your service. Okay, so if they're getting to know your product, what going live will do is give you the opportunity to show what your product does, what you offer. And if you always have new inventory, you can show that off. If you have one single product, you can show off the many benefits of it, how you use it, show off testimonials, show off customers, have people interacting with it. There's so much you can do with that product. Now, if you have a service-based business, this is really important, because what that allows you to do is to show off your strengths. They'll eventually want to hire you. Those are the results that you want, and those are the results that video can bring you. If you're new here, you're about to get to know that this is the part of the video where I ask you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you get notified when I drop a video every single Tuesday. Another thing that video does for your business is it lets other businesses know whether or not they will be interested in working with you. So they basically get to preview your product without you having to send any samples, send anything free. It gives people that test drive virtually that can leave them confident about making their purchase, whether it's a product or a service. Because see, if you provide me with a ton of value up front, and let's say you're a business strategist like I am, and you have all of these strategies for me to be able to put into place, then I know if I hire you to help me specifically and really help me catapult my business, that I'll be able to get the results that I'm looking for. But you can only do that with video. If they never hear your voice, they never hear what you have to offer, they don't know what you do, and they don't understand your why, you're basically just gonna get crickets whenever you do post on the gram. Last but not least, what video will do for your business is exponentially increase that know, like, and trust factor. I know we've all heard it. People buy from people that they know, like, and trust. And what video does is helps them to be able to make that connection, not only with who you are, but what you provide and the value that you can give them, how you can actually help them specifically. And the more they get to know you, the more they like you, and the more they'll trust, because you've given them so much value up front that they know when they go ahead to take out that credit card or swipe or, hand you some cash or something, that it's going to be worth their while and worth their investment. I know these tips were super helpful, and I hope that you take this video thing seriously. If you really enjoyed this video, I want you to go back and watch my previous 2 videos on Facebook Live tips and tricks. I dropped about 10 of them in that video. And then the benefits of Facebook and Instagram Live. So I give you, Facebook versus Instagram, who works best, what I love. And once you get done with all that, you can go ahead and click the link below and get the free checklist I created. So that way you don't have to do this blind. I already laid it out for you and made it easy so that you have some help along the way in creating the live experience that will help grow your reach, expand your audience, and increase your income. Thanks for watching.